With this Chefman Toast Air Convection Oven Plus Air Fryer, you can air fry, bake, broil, convection bake, toast, and warm all in one convenient countertop cooking appliance. With a temperature range from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and 7 cooking functions, making great meals has never been easier. The extra-large 20-quart lighted interior can fit up to 4 slices of toast, roast a 5.5 pounds chicken, and fits most baking pans. The integrated 60-minute countdown timer lets you know when your food is ready, and the unit automatically shuts off when opened for added safety. The Dishwasher-Safe air fry basket, cooking rack, broil pan, and removable crumb tray keep cleanup simple. Here are the key features of the Chefman Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo: 7-in-1 Convection Oven Countertop. Precise temperature control. Achieve culinary perfection with the Chefman Toast Air's temperature range from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're craving a crispy bagel, indulging in air-fried French fries, or baking delectable cookies, this appliance has got you covered. Healthier cooking, delectable results. With the air frying feature, you can indulge guilt-free, as it requires a mere 2% of the oil traditionally used for frying. Enjoy succulent and flavorful chicken or vegetables without compromising on health. Perfect toast every time. Savor the perfect amount of crunch with your toast by selecting your preferred toasting shade. Say goodbye to undercooked or overcooked toast, as you control the outcome effortlessly. All-inclusive accessories. Your Chefman Toast Air comes complete with essential accessories, including a dishwasher-safe baking rack, air fry basket, and broil pan. Say hello to hassle-free cooking and cleaning. Ease of maintenance. Cleaning up after cooking has never been easier. The pull-out crumb tray and dishwasher-safe parts ensure that tidying up your air fryer oven is a simple and time-saving task. Safety first. Always, the Chefman Toast Air is designed with your safety in mind. The integrated timer and automatic shut-off feature ensure peace of mind while you cook your favorite dishes to perfection. Certified quality. Rest assured, as the Chefman Toast Air is OL certified, boasting advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. Chefman stands by their product, offering a 1-year assurance for your peace of mind. Embrace the power and efficiency of the Chefman Toast Air Convection Oven Plus Air Fryer, the ultimate companion for your kitchen adventures. From quick weeknight dinners to special gatherings, this all-in-one kitchen wonder elevates your cooking to a whole new level.